Hi kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ink. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nuts. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for table. U for umbrella. B for vegetables. W for water. X for Xmas tree. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Wow!